Mas is that Tarawine. This fish is Moria Batkai. It's for little Tangamas. This is Ned. This is behind the scene. Thank you. This is me and this is my camera person. Who is your name? Zishan. This is Zishan bro and my cameraman and this is Ostopolius Pygilis Palgala. So you can see this blog. So Asker blogs, this is very interesting for everyone. So guys, see these blogs and everything, comment, like and share. I said this net bisaying, so you are kuda. This is very hard and for the madi. This is kasi for the net, not for Sadir or Narusi. This is very hurtful and good. Turning, no shooting. This net is small.